What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we have an oil change and a under the hood inspection on this 2016 Ford Explorer. I'm going to start off by checking the brake fluid level. Brake fluid level seems to be okay. Up next, I want to take a look at the battery. When you guys are checking batteries, make sure you have the battery hold down. You want to make sure your connections are nice and tight and corrosion free. So they look to be corrosion free, so I'm going to move on to a battery test. Let's go ahead and connect the positive lead first and then the negative lead. This battery is rated at 850 cca, so that's what I'm going to enter on my tester here. Let's go ahead and alright, so we have it entered and I'm going to test this battery. Battery looks like it's not producing what it should, so this battery might need a replacement in the near future. Next item up for inspection is going to be our air filter, our engine air filter. To check this, there's two tabs, one located back here, one located right here. Just going to pop those tabs, lift the air filter housing, and push towards the passenger side. Okay, so it looks like this vehicle is also going to need an engine air filter. Next, we're going to check our engine oil level. Let's go ahead and wipe down the stick. Go ahead and put that in there. Get an accurate reading. Make sure your stick is pointing downwards. As you guys can see, the oil level is good. This vehicle is at 9% oil life, so we're going to go ahead and replace that. Now we want to take a look at the engine coolant. I'm going to put my light right next to it. As you guys can see, there is a full mark here. Our coolant level is way down here, so when we get up under this vehicle, we're going to check to see if there's any leaks in our cooling system as well. Next item up is going to be our transmission fluid level. This vehicle actually has a dipstick, so we can go ahead and turn this to the left and then pull out. Not a lot of vehicles nowadays have dipsticks, so we want to go ahead and wipe this clean, and then we're going to go ahead and get the vehicle started. And with our engine running, we're going to reinsert the dipstick. Tighten it down, loosen it, and get our reading. Looks like our transmission fluid level is okay. So those are some of the major items you want to take a look at when you're under the hood. We're going to go ahead and do an oil change. If you want to see how to do that, check out the next video.